Hi! Welcome to the Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Matt, am going to give you a pep talk in 60 seconds or less. So, I am here because you may probably know my wife, who usually does the Motivational Minutes most often on this channel, and today she's not feeling awesome. And so the pep talk today is about asking for help, because it's okay to ask for help, and sometimes people want to help and they don't know how until you actually reach out to them and ask. So I'm here to just kind of give you permission to reach out to your friends, your family, your support community, maybe, an internet forum, whatever it might be, and actually ask for help. For example, me with this Motivational Minute, or Paige's recent manuscript I've been reading through and giving her notes and feedback on, and it's just been a delight to read, and I'm really enjoying it. But also, since it's space related and I happen to work at NASA, it's been fun to kind of talk about space things with Paige as we go through her book. So I think that's all the time I have. In fact, I think I'm probably going over a little bit right now. But thanks for watching, and I hope this inspired you to reach out for help from somebody in your community. Have a great week, and thanks for watching.